So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to locate your referral code on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the me icon. Once you're here, I want you to go all the way down to where it says invite friends, just like this. So go ahead and press on invite friends. Now, once you're on this page, what it's going to be talking to you about, or I guess showing you, is how to refer a friend right here. So if you were to scroll down, keep scrolling down to where it says my referral code like this. In this case, this is mine, but you're going to have a different one. You can copy this. You can send it to whoever you want in order to get the referral promotion. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to locate your referral code on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.